In the next 45 minutes, let us enjoy and appreciate TCC's contribution in the year gone by and see an exciting plan for the year ahead. May I call upon Venki to please take us forward. Thank you.
So very good evening to you all. So briefly talking about Tamil Nadu Cycling Club, for most of you all it's going to be a repeat presentation, but I think for the benefit of those who have come here for the first time, I think it's worthwhile talking about who we were and what we are today. So sometime in 2008, there was a bunch of guys who were riding in ECR. We accidentally met up, and that's how Tamil Nadu Cycling Club started. And over the period of the last 4 to 5 years, we've come a real long way. And year after year, we have been growing, and the number of events that we've completed last year, close to about 34 odd events, which Vasant will talk about in his next section. I think personally it's a very satisfying moment for us that we have grown. And today the club can boast of a strong membership. This is a group's membership of about close to 1800 people. And last year, I remember giving this presentation, we were close to about 700 people. So 3 flagship events successfully completed, the Tour of Tamil Nadu for 2010, 11 and 12. And we take great pride in this association, the set of volunteers and all the cyclist members who are part of this journey, who have come a long way along with us to be what we are today. So I wish to thank you all for having talked about what we want to do. This slide basically talks about how are we aligned in terms of our vision, how our actions are aligned to our vision. Right? So one is to say that we want to be, known for an organization which is promoting competitive sports, recreation, good health, green world, growing the cycling community, growing cycling as a sustainable mode of transport, etc. But today, if you look at what's on the right side, these are the things that we aim to do. And if you look at most of these activities, we've been successful. Some of these we are not so successful, but we'll keep trying. And with the support of most of the government agencies, we believe that in a couple of years you will definitely find you'll come across a day where you could take your bicycle on an MRTS, put it in the luggage cab, get out of the station in Tirunelveli or wherever, take a last mile again using a bicycle. So we are talking to MRTS, we are talking to Metro Rails. We have representations that it's going slow, but we believe that's going to happen today or tomorrow. We are also looking at some big sponsors, big tie-ups to really take us through the journey of trying to force the government, the state government, to really create a cycling track. So certain things are happening. You might have heard some news about the marina tracks, etc. We also try to do something similar in the OMR section as well. Some of the challenges that we face, obviously, safety comes first for all our cyclists. Never had a single major accident, although small incidents keep happening. That's the biggest concern for us. So our aim is to really go across to fellow motor vehicle riders, talk about MRTS bus drivers, the state transport, try and educate them to how to respect cyclists, etc. So that's something which we will aggressively follow this year. We need government support, specifically the state government, the police department, and so far we are lucky that we've got all their support to successfully conduct most of the events and also promote cycling. Funding is another challenge. We've got sponsors. We are happy that we've got support from corporate, and that's what keeps us going today. Whatever we are, the way we are promoting cyclists, I think corporate sponsors play a big role. And finally, visibility. Today, I think we've done a decent job in creating visibility to promote cycling. TCC is one of the well-known organizations in the state of Tamil Nadu today. So this slide basically is to thank our sponsors. So we have Dinesh from TI. So we wish to thank TI Cycles for being our lead sponsor for all the flagship events over the last 3 years. We have Mr. Srinivasan from Star Insurance. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. We have representatives from Tamil Nadu Tourism. We have TNRDC. We have Mr. Shailendra Babu from the State Police. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. We have Mr. Prabhudas from Panaway. We have Mr. Saran, Dr. Saran from Ashok Leyland. Thank you, Dr. Saran, for joining us today. Saran? Yeah. So the sponsors and support, our partners and our supporters play a key role in successfully conducting all our events. So one is to say we are an association, but successfully conducting all these events without the sponsors, partners, and supporters would be next to impossible. So this basically talks about just to give a visibility to all of you who are present here to try and see whether we can solicit sponsorships across all these events. And my request is, if anyone finds an organization who are ready to sponsor any of these events, please go and solicit sponsorship, because today we are in a state where we are in a stage of inflection point. We want to grow and we have to conduct more events for the entire state, and not just cycling in Chennai. We also have plans to start the Tamil Nadu Cycling Club chapter in Coimbatore. So today we have Aditya here, who is going to be spearheading this initiative in Coimbatore. And over the next 1 year, we will see some action in terms of TCC having its representation in Coimbatore, and we will definitely go around in Coimbatore conducting some good events, and maybe 2 years, 3 years down the line, you will see TCC Coimbatore as big as TCC Chennai or any of its. So with this, I hand over the mic to Vasant, who will take you through the events, the year that went by and the year that's going to come. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm just going to quickly go through the events that we conducted during the year 2012 and 13, and also share with you the events that we plan to conduct for year 13 and 14. So here, we have an event summary. So we had conducted events across 6 categories. So we had categories like recreation, endurance, psychology, which is an off-the-saddle event, and touring, adventure, and competitive events. So totally we plan to conduct 35 events as per the calendar. So that is what we shared with you all same time last year. We did better than the plan. We actually conducted 37 events. So there are two other events that got added during the year, which we didn't plan upfront. One was an ITT that we conducted in Jan 2013, and also we had the Dawn to Dusk, Naval's Dawn to Dusk event that is also now getting integrated as part of TCC's calendar. So when we planned for the dates upfront, like we had to plan for about 35 events throughout the year, and we had to fix some dates upfront. So there were a lot of challenges in meeting up with those dates. So still we were able to have about 33 events conducted on time, that is on the given date as per the calendar. So 4 events we had to reschedule due to factors like bad weather and also some logistics issues and so on. So we had about 89% of on-time compliance. So which we plan to have about improve and have about 90 plus for the year ahead. Totally we had about 1,418 participants participating in We had a fantastic run last year, and we hope to increase the participation at least by 20 to 30% in the year ahead. Thanks to all for your support and your participation. And in the last year we had introduced different leagues, like we want to have the 2012 100 km and the 200 km league. We basically want to encourage people to pick up longer rides and participate in various endurance events. So this helped a lot of people to train systematically. Last year we shared a similar calendar that we had where we try to categorize all events and plan for different dates. So this year there have been some minor updates in this calendar. The key changes are we have dropped out the night ride from recreation. Basically, we felt there was not enough safety in conducting this ride. Thank you, sir. GVK EMRI. Thank you thanks for providers for their support. Full Sam Kitchen. So can we have can we have Mr. Puneet Singla here?
I can give you a gift when you guess the person right. Okay, so we did have a photo contest, why photo contest, and there are official reasons and not so official reasons. So I might read out the official ones, but the non-official. So I hope you like both the versions of this. Why we did this photo contest. Okay, about the participation, I did have a few other slides, but in the last minute we had removed it. So 71 pictures. We did a good number from 18 photographers.
For the first year.
Yeah. And we look forward to have this photo contest again, and hopefully get more numbers and more people, and we would like more people to win the prizes. The selection process was a bit tough, so I had a very difficult time, I should say, in selecting these. So now the results, I'm quickly running through this. So any guesses on the third place? The second place goes to Varnish. So we get 2,000 rupees from TCC and Sigma Lighting System from
Dollars. Come on, this time it's free. Krishna.
Gopsi.
It's again Barney. And Vijay again gets the first prize, and he gets 3,000 rupees. And Sigma is worth 3,500.
Thanks, sir. So move on. So as you have seen, like we had a lot of events conducted during the last 1 year, and also there's a lot of events lined up for the year ahead. So at this time, I would like to recognize the support from the volunteer team. There's been a lot of support and from the volunteers which had really made all this happen. Without their support, we would really not been able to conduct any of our events or maintain the standards and reach these levels. So we would like to thank all of them for their support, and at this time we would also like to share with you all that we are considering them as part of the TCC extended family. So it's called as NEXT. So thank you all. And we also have, as a recognition, we have a memento for them. So we'd like to have them here and give away the mementos. So Rajaram has been the key person within the TCC core committee to coordinate with volunteers. Thank you. And somebody else would raise. Thank you, Vinay. Vinay and thank you so much.
Sriram. Praveen is not there, sir.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I think enough thanks have been forwarded around until now. I'm going to start off my kind of official Thanksgiving with the people that we need to thank the most. Actually, when I look back at the 3 years that I have been cycling and the number of years these guys have all been cycling and all of you have been cycling, the very constant support that has come to us is from our families. So I want to thank all the families for having been there for us. And actually we are trying to bring most of the families also in to the cycling part. So I think that we are seeing that more in the family rides, the pink rides and the rides like that, the Tour of Tamil Nadu. I want to see more of the families also participate, so my first thanks and the foremost thanks will go to the families for their constant support to all of us. Then I want to thank the core team. I'm going in the reverse order in a way, so please bear with me. The core team that has been doing all the work behind the scenes in making every event of TCC a very prominent one amongst all the cyclists here, and an event that everybody wants to participate in. So I want to thank the core team that works behind the screen and makes all these events a grand success. Then, all the volunteers that come in. This is like 4 o'clock in the morning that they need to start from their homes, reach the venue, support the event. Sometimes they also support them going and participate show in the beginning. We start off with something like 5-10 people cycling in ECR and YMR. And now when you go to ECR or YMR on Saturdays and Sundays, the number of cyclists that you see on these roads is phenomenal. And that has happened the great because of all. Last but absolutely not the least, all the sponsors. We have thanked them many times and we should continue to thank them. They realize that this is something that they need to support and they have been supporting us. So all the sponsors, our hearty thanks to all of you. Please continue to support us. This is a great event. Thank Dr. Shailendra Babu. He's here. He has been a great supporter of this sport. And recently he had his team participate in a long ride. It's a 10-day, pretty much 10-day ride from 800 plus kilometers from Chennai to Kanyakumari, taking his team along with him. And I want to see him come along with us for the Tour of Tamil Nadu sometime soon. Please do join us. It will be a pleasure to have you there. And all of
So before we end, sorry.
It's a nice one.